Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious agua de mazapan. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious drink, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 10 mazapanes, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 2 cups of milk. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to start by getting the mazapanes out of the wrappers. And this is the only time that it's okay for them to break. Alright guys, so now we're going to get ready to blend. So in our blender we're going to add our mazapanes, our cinnamon stick, our Mexican vanilla blend, or you can use vanilla extract, our sweetened condensed milk, and depending on how sweet you want your agua, then it depends on how much sweetener you're going to add. So I'm going to add about 3/4 of my can, just because the mazapanes, they're already sweet. And then our evaporated milk, and our 2 cups of milk. And now we're just going to blend everything together until our cinnamon stick has broken down. Alright, so once we have our mixture ready, now we are ready to transfer into our jar. Alright, so we're going to strain our mixture. So like that, when we're sipping on our agua fresca, it's nice and smooth. And to that, we're going to add 4.5 cups of cold water. So now just mix it. Alright, so now just try to see if it's sweet enough to your liking. And now we are ready to serve. Alright, so now I'm just going to dip my cup into sweetened condensed milk. And then into crushed mazapan. Okay. Now we're just going to add ice. Okay, so now we're ready to serve. And of course you can add some strawberries to add some color. But now we are ready to enjoy our delicious agua de mazapan. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me add you guys that you can, if you want to switch the flavor on your agua de mazapan, you can add some strawberries or coffee. But let me tell you that this is so delicious, so refreshing. So cheers. Seriously, the best. If you love horchata, you're going to love agua de mazapan. So good, so delicious, and so refreshing. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious agua de mazapan. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.